What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to another upload. Where today... Hold on. Yeah, I gotta get hair off of my phone. I have water boiling. I'm gonna then place it into here, which then I'm gonna place more water and more water and more water. About a milk jug full. I'm gonna fill this milk jug with cold water. Quickly. Okay, that should fill any minute now. I'm home alone right now, which is fine. I'm not gonna put my address. Hold on, just a second. All this beautiful stuff's going all over my phone and I don't like it. Boom. Now that is for when I unplug it to settle the heat. Let's check. Whoa! Oop. How's it going? It's not going well. Okay, sorry. I'm fixed there. Uh-oh. Fuck. I have tea. That's very delicious. Hot. Oh. Yeah, I just boiled a bunch. Oh, is it done? Let's check. Check for me. No. Focus. Oh yeah, it's because hair is getting everywhere. There's my little kitty. Rosie. Okay, water's like done. Oh, poor frog. Eat that. It's too get. No, just kidding. No. 2 tea bag. Let's go. Now put ice cubes in this. Woo! Steam galore. Okay, let's put the ice cubes in. See how fast they just go. 1, 2. They all go to the same area. They're going, they're going, they're going. I'm gonna put some of my cold water in here. Just to settle the heat. Yeah, so that really helped. Put a tea bag in there. Hot. Ouch. I have some more warm water in my teapot. That's just my playing tricks. Okay, the ice cubes are gone, so I'm going to put this cold water after I top it up. Put this in. There we go. Yeah, that worked out very well. Well, anyway, thank you guys for watching. That is not too sick. Tea. Out. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you later. Peace out.